This is protecWashLV+, a water-based alternative to traditional cleaning solvents. This product will clean both solvent-based and water-based paint off your spray gun. It's also an excellent cleaner for helping to remove any dry paint on your spray guns, whether it's an old spray gun found in your drawer or it's a gun that you're currently using. protecWashLV+ can be used in a range of Unic spray gun cleaners. This includes the Edition 35 single tank, the Edition 35 twins tank, and also the protecLV spray gun cleaner. You can also use the product manually, so it's available for use in the UGC 2006 manual machine. Let's take a look at some of the features and benefits of protecWashLV+. protecWash is a low VOC emitting product and can offer you up to 80% reduction in VOCs versus traditional cleaning solvents. Other benefits of this product is that it has a long life. You can expect on average up to 600 washes per 25 litre drum of protecWash. This makes it a lot more efficient in terms of cleaning versus traditional solvents inside your spray gun cleaner. This will save you on an average up to 50% running costs versus traditional solvents in your spray gun cleaner. Further benefits of protecWash are health and safety benefits. This product is non-flammable and non-hazardous to health. You don't require fume extraction for usage with this product, and there is no fire risk with this product. It's also much better for the skin. It's a lot more benign than traditional cleaning solvents. So let's take a look at cleaning some dried solvent-based paint off the outside of a spray gun. Depending on the thickness of the paint, it may require soaking for a short period of time, so we're going to remove the air cap and put this in the fluid at the bottom of the bucket. We're going to take the brush, we're going to scrub this on the outside of the gun, and you can see already that dry paint is being removed quite rapidly by protecWash. Simply keep scrubbing and removing the paint from the outside of the gun. You can see the dried paint is very easily removed by protecWash and the brush. The cleaning detergents inside the protecWash are a little bit slippery, so at the end of the cleaning cycle, what we recommend is, as with all of our spray gun cleaners, we have a rinse facility on there, and we're going to rinse deionized water over the gun, which effectively rinses the product from the spray gun. This helps aid the drying process and speed up the drying process, but also neutralizes the liquid and removes the contamination on the gun. You can see now, after rinsing, it's a lot less slippy. It's going to be a lot more efficient and easier to dry the gun. So we'll take the air cap out of the fluid where it's been soaking. Simply brush off the dried paint. Give you an effective and easy removal of the solvent-based paint that was dried on the spray gun. Once again, we rinse this product with water, and this will help aid the drying process and make things a lot more efficient, removing any of the protecWash on the air cap. You can see how easily the protecWash has removed the solvent-based paint that was dried on the outside of the spray gun. So now let's take a look at a demonstration pouring some fresh, wet solvent-based paint over the outside of the spray gun to show the protecWash water-based cleaner cleaning solvent-based paint off the outside of a spray gun. We're simply going to wash the spray gun over this bucket of protecWash already been used to clean the dried paint. Simply watch how easily protecWash removes the solvent-based paint. Once clean, just like we did before with the dried paint, we'd rinse off with water. This then neutralises the product, rinses it off the spray gun, and you can simply use this to help speed up the drying process. protecWashLV Plus, a water-based alternative to traditional cleaning solvents. Here, just finishing the demonstration of washing a solvent-based paint that was tipped over the outside of this spray gun, and it's thoroughly cleaned it off from the gun. If you'd like any more information, please visit www.unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.